This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is example 8 of rate conversions. We're going to do this problem. So I looked up the exchange rate in October 2012 between a US dollar and a European euro. And I found out that 1 euro was the same as $1.30 US dollars. So what I'm going to do here is use the dollar sign if we're talking about US dollars. And for the euros, I'm just going to write the word euro. There's also a conversion factor between ounces and grams. This is approximate. 1 ounce is about 28.3495 grams. So given that, how many euros, all right, so now we're talking about money, how much in Europe, how many euros per gram is an item advertised as $15, talking about US dollars, per ounce? Okay, so we start off with $15 per ounce. So $15 for 1 ounce. So I would like to get this in euros, and I also would like to get this euros per gram. So we have to use one conversion fraction at a time. So let's say first I'm going to get rid of the dollars. So I want the dollars to be in the denominator, so I'm going to look at this conversion factor. $1.30 is the same thing as 1 euro. Right? So since these represent the same thing, this fraction is equivalent to 1. It's like multiplying a fraction by 1. Okay? And we'll see that the dollar signs will cancel. Okay, so if you want to see that, you can say, okay. See, I could write out the word USD, or I could just put a dollar sign. So now I've got my answer in euros so far, euros per ounce. But I also want to find out how many euros per gram. So now I have to do my second multiplication. So I have to look for my conversion factor right here. I want the ounces to cancel. So I've got ounces in the denominator, so I want to put 1 ounce in the numerator. Is the same thing as 28.3495 grams in the denominator. And then I could see that my ounces now cancel out. So in the end, I'm going to have in the numerator euros, grams in the denominator, which is what I wanted. I wanted to know how many euros per gram. So the arithmetic we have here is we're going to have 15 in the numerator, and I have to divide by everything here in the denominator. So if you put this in your calculator, if it does order of operations, you could just do 15 divided by 130 and then divide also by 28.3495. Or you can multiply these two numbers in the denominator first, right? And then do 15 divided by that. Different ways of doing it. But anyway, get out your calculator and compute that. And so what I got, if I round to the nearest cent in euros, is 41. And I'm going to put euro dollars, 41 euro dollars per gram. Now that sounds like a lot less, but that's because a gram, it's like there's about 28 grams in an ounce. So a gram is a lot smaller than an ounce. So that seems like a reasonable answer. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.